this is K1 Locks. Today I come at you with a lock I got from Zombie Locks. I have not picked this one yet, so let's see if we can't go ahead and pick this guy. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here and see if this helps out. So right now I have a Mad Bob's 1.0 millimeter in this. It's a Yale style keyway. So let's see if we can't see what we can't come up with here. Like I said, I have not picked this yet, so I've got a little bit of turn there. There we go, a little bit more turn. Off of 5 it looks like. A little bit more off of 1. It looks like I need a little bit skinnier of a pick there. I'm going to go with, you know, I wish I even knew what the name of this pick was. I don't. It's the Sparrows. So, and there we go. We do have a key here. Let's see if this key works with it. It's marked pinned by SteelPinnings, so I'm not sure if this is the right key that goes with it or not, but let's go ahead and find out. Let's zoom back out here for you. It is all wound up, just so you know. Let's see if this just pulls right off here. Of course, we've got some tape wrapped up around it. All right. Yeah. Goes in there. Okay, good. It does work. Okay, let's see if we can't got the sucker real quick. I'll have right follower here. I need to go grab my screwdriver here real quick. If you just give me just a moment here, folks. See if this works. I was totally unprepared for this. I apologize for that. I honestly didn't expect to get that. So, all right. And all right, 5-pinner. So we got a really nice, let's see, let's zoom in a bit here. Really nice serrated kind of spoolie thing. Really nice serrated one there. Nice serrated spoolie thing. Really nice serrated. And serrated. And on the top it looks like we have one is has been ground out. 2 is got some light serrations, and 4 has some serrations, and 5 is also hollowed out. So let's see what we got up in the Bible, shall we? Oh, really nice like mushroom style pin there. Serrations and mushroom style type pin. Like a T-pin. It's serrated. And last one is Looks like a really nice serrated type pin. So there's nothing done to the top, it looks like. As you can tell, nothing's been done to the top there, so we're all good there. All the springs are the same. So anyway, this is K1 Locks. This lock was pinned by SteelPinnings on 122.17. Excellent lock. I had a really fun time with that. Again, Zombie Lock sent me this. So this is K1 Locks saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.